सो गुड इवनिंग टू एवरीवन। तो आज का मोमेंट तो बहुत ख़ास था। जैसे जैसे मैंने बताया सभी लोग ने वैसे ही किया होता तो प्रॉफिट भी अच्छा खासा होता। सो नाउ वी विल सी द चार्ट्स। Our Nifty has closed at 17,746. As I have told you yesterday that when our first target of Nifty is around 600, 17,600, but it has not came 600. It has came at low age 7,650 approx. So we will wait for 7,600. It should come, and then this is also our target. So this will also come. सो इसलिए हम लोग अब वेट करेंगे नीचे के लिए, क्योंकि मैं तो वेरी सी था। इफ टुमारो निफ्टी सस्टेन बिलो 17,840 देन यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट 7,620 एटलीस्ट टिल फ्राइडे। ये तो 7,650 आज ही लेके आ गया, तो 17,620 के भी दर्शन हो ही जाएंगे कल तक अंदाज से मेरे। और अब चलते हैं बैंक निफ्टी पे एक बार। बैंक निफ्टी की आज खास मूवमेंट देखिए। नाउ सी बैंक निफ्टी। जैसा कि मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था, as I have told you yesterday that Bank Nifty has broken the range. This was the range. Has broken the range and given close below it. And due to some news or anything, but I was only on charts. It will come around 37.0. Our first target was 37,400 approx, and second target was 37,060. So it opened only below this first target and hit our second target too. It was very clear. So this one is the call. This Bank Nifty 37,700 put opened it around 210 and hit 362 and 500 both. And now see, today we opened gap down and made a red candle, and then we made a hammer type of candle. After that we consolidated here, so this was our range. As soon as this breakout came, we bought in platinum 2 and in account handling both. This was the where we bought, and after that the price action continues up then down. It was a higher low, and again price up, higher high. It was making higher high and higher low. It was the concept that it was a bullish mode in intraday. So I have told you also that don't short it in any case. And then see, I have told you yesterday also that this full move is short covering move. This full move is short covering move. This was the logic of today trades that were very profitable. All short covering candles, Marabujo candles. Here. First a Marabujo is made, then a fall came in 3 to 4 candles, then again a bullish Marabujo, then again consolidation, then again Marabujo, like that. And at last we broke the range. And today also same thing happened. We made a range and bullish Marabujo. Here a small breakout came, then again something falling, then again a bullish Marabujo, then again bear moving up, and then these all candles which are bullish Marabujo are short covering candles. And at that point, here it is 14:15, means 2:15 p.m. At that point a pure bullish Marabujo happened, and it was the expiry move candle. After that, here we have exited and we had bought put at this area for positional. We have bought put at some price in our platinum for positional. We are holding it. So here we have bought, and now it is closing below this line. So the main logic of today's trading was the short covering candle, like I told you yesterday also. Trade with levels and everything. As if you have traded with levels, then as it opened here, then wait a minute, Someone call is coming. Wait a minute, someone call is coming. So it's okay. So as per me, I'm clear on my everything, on every view, that this can be deleted, this can also be deleted. The bank nifty will reach at least this level, 36,200 level, then we will be bullish, otherwise we will not be bullish in this case. Or if it close above 37,900, which is our SL, which is our SL. So if it closed above this, then we can become bullish, and if it comes here, then we will become bullish or bearish, then we will see here. So we have to wait and see. We are on positional trend in platinum. So it's clear to all. Thank you and have a nice day.